drop radar indicated heavy rain is falling over the warning area. The rainfall has been heavy enough to produce flooding in the city of Ashtabula. Rainfall amounts could be as high as 1 to 2 inches, with more expected later tonight. Some locations that may experience flooding include Ashtabula, Jefferson, and Warren. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula and Trumbull.